Hello there, my tools. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is an initial review of the Coco Shea Rich Moisture. You guys, this is a oil and I really do enjoy this oil. I purchased this from Bath and Body Works. The normal price of this product runs roughly about $20 and some change. So this smells absolutely comforting. Y'all, it has a beautiful coconutish type scent. I really enjoy the smell. It's very light, so it's not going to coincide with any perfumes. It's not going to bother your nose or anything like that. This oil is infused with coconut oil, vitamin E, and jojoba oil. It is so light, you guys, so it absorbs into the skin quickly. It does not leave you feeling all greasy. It's not that heavy oil that just makes you hot and sweaty. It's extremely lightweight. Also, this oil is dermatologist approved, just in case any of you are wondering. I like to apply this oil right before bed. I've really just been trying to get in a habit of really just taking care of my skin because I had never done so before. Y'all, again, I purchased this from Bath and Body Works. I was able to get it for about $5. The best time to get a lot of Shea Moisture skin products is during the holidays when they have really good sales. But anyway, I truly enjoyed this oil. If you have not tried this oil, I highly recommend it. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you tubes in the next one. Smooches.